The housing market here in San Diego continues to bounce back full steam into the spring and summer selling season. But you're probably still hearing doom and gloom in the headlines. Let's get after what's really happening with San Diego home prices and what this means for you if you're getting ready to buy or sell a home. You're probably hearing in the news that housing prices continue to fall here in San Diego. Well, there is truth to that if you look at year-over-year numbers. However, the prices have actually bottomed out at this point and are starting to rise. So if you were thinking the housing market is overpriced, waiting for homes to fall, that has probably happened. Housing prices are going up, so congratulations, you didn't buy while the prices were going down. They've hit the bottom, and now you can buy and start building wealth through the equity gain in your home just through appreciation that's already happening as home prices go back up. If you're a seller that didn't want to chase the housing markets down, you've been waiting for things to stabilize, we're seeing multiple bids on homes that are priced right and ready to sell. We're going to cover exactly what you need to know if you're looking to buy or sell a home in this video. This is completely different from what you will hear in the mainstream media, but that's why you're watching this video, because I dig really deep into what's really going on to help you make great decisions in real estate. The mainstream news is still reporting data that's several months old, telling you that home prices are going down and mortgage rates are going up. Well, they are going up, but the complete opposite is true for home prices. They've bottomed out and they're starting to go up along with mortgage rates right now. Stay tuned for why I think we are on the verge of some home prices starting to really ratchet up. My name is Pacilio with eXp Real Estate, and if you're looking to make a move, please message me, contact me directly, and let's chat. If you've been following me, you know that mortgage rates are directly tied to inflation, not the Fed rate. Mortgage rates continue to hang out around 6.5% and have pretty much stayed there, although just recently they went up due to some problems with the government debt. If inflation continues to fall over the summer, then mortgage rates should fall accordingly, and we could see a huge uptick in demand this summer. For every 1% that the interest rate drops, 5 million buyers come into eligibility for purchasing. We're seeing sales activity in San Diego and the US picking up as we head into the spring and summer months. All that pent-up demand that we've been talking about, it's there, especially from millennials, starting to get unleashed on bidding wars, and home prices are starting to go back up. Couple that with potentially tons of new buyers entering the market when the rates start to go down a little bit, the next couple of months could really start to surge. Let's dive into what exactly is happening here in San Diego. Housing prices rose slightly in the past month to a $960,000 median price, and that's up from $940,000. Overall, the market is fairly flat year over year. Condos just rose to $640,000. The inventory of homes rose 250 to 2,500. That inventory is lower than the lows we saw last year, still driving those multiple bids again. The length of time that homes are taking to sell is starting to shorten and is averaging 29 days on market. This is another sign that the market has been picking up again. As we head into spring, I've been seeing buyer demand really picking up in the last couple months, and bidding wars are back if the house is priced well and if it's ready to move in. If the home's overpriced, then it's still taking a long time to sell. The other big data point we like to look at is the final sales price compared to the listing price. Is it above or below the listing price? This tells us how much the home sold for compared to what it was listed for. On average, a final sales price is 98% of the original list price, and that would be considered a balanced market. Anything over indicates a seller's market, anything under indicates a buyer's market. We're at 99.7 final sales price, very, very close to full price and sometimes over. That means we're in a seller's market. If you're thinking of buying a home and you've been trying to time the market here, I'm here to tell you we hit the bottom a couple months ago and prices have been steadily going back up. If you're ready to stop renting and buy your first home or make that move up or downsize home purchase, now really is the time to start jumping back in. I've been saying that the window of opportunity for buyers to purchase a home and negotiate price reductions, repairs, and credits was going to close around April of May, and that's pretty much what we're seeing to be true. Now, some homes you will still have negotiating power. It definitely comes down to each home individually that you're looking at, depending on how the home is positioned. Is it priced correctly? Have the home improvements already been made? And how is it marketed, depending on how much buyer interest is going to be in the home? If there is a lot, then you're just not going to have much negotiating power to be able to get any credits or extract any kind of price reductions, anything like that. If a home is overpriced, then there will be less interest and you'll have more power. Okay, quick story time. I recently helped a first-time buyer couple purchase in a very desirable area, Rancho Penasquitos, where they have an excellent school system. The buyers were up against 11 other offers. We made a strong offer. We used a battle plan and our relationship with the agents, and we got the offer accepted. Also, we negotiated a free paid home warranty and $20,000 for repairs. That's why the realtor you choose matters. 11 other people are still out there making offers and working through disappointment over the home that they lost. If you're planning to sell a home, this is everything you need to know to be successful in selling your home in today's market. Even though buyer demand is getting stronger and prices are stabilized, we're still not fully back in the seller's market. We're in essentially kind of a balanced market. As I said, some houses don't sell right away. That's because the rates have been moving around so much. They settled in the mid-6s and now they're moving up. It's more important than ever that you call me so we can put together a customized plan, sell your home on the best terms that you're looking for. Make sure you don't overprice the home because it could sit for months. Instead, we'll price it with a proven strategy. We'll show you the data to generate tons of traffic online, which will turn into showings and then offers and then a bidding war, which is what every seller wants. This will give you the leverage to get you the price and terms that you want. Also, be aware that even with multiple offers, you may still need to be prepared to give a little bit of a credit back for a rate buy down. A lot of buyers are up against 6 and 7 points, and they want to buy that down so they can afford the home. If you want to get an idea of what your home might sell for, what it should be priced at, please contact me. I'll run a no obligation home value for you. And basically, that's a complete overview of the housing market right now. So my name is Chris. I'm with EXP. Please hit me up with a message and let me know how I can help you. We'll see you on the next video.